Good morning, students. Today you are going to learn about the life mathematics in chapter 4. Now let us see the word problem. For first one, if the difference between, the difference is given. So difference means what? Subtraction. If the difference between 75 percentage of a number, so some number you have to find out that one, 75 percentage of a number and 60 percentage of the same number only. So both 75 percentage of a number and 60 percentage of the same number is given. This is given 82.5. Then find 20 percentage of the number, same number. You have to find out that number. So first you have to read the sum 2 or 3 times. You just listen carefully. Then difference means what? Subtraction. Difference between the 75 percentage of a number and 60 percentage of the same number only. So you don't know the value of that number, so let the number be x. You have to give the value, let the number be x. So that is 75 percentage of x, 75 percentage of x, subtraction. Difference given, sum means you have to add here, difference is given, so subtraction 60 percentage of x, same number only both, so you have to put the same x equal to, the value is given here 82.5. the value is given. Now you have to simplify this one. 75 percentage of x means what? You can put 75 by 100, put that percentage into fractional, so 75 by 100 into x, minus of means you put that sign, multiply sign. So here 60 by 100 into x equal to 82.5. Now you can do that. 75 by 100 means you can now calculate in that here the value is 82.5 is given, decimal number is given, so you have to change this fractional to decimal number, that is 0.75. Here the second two zeros having means that is understood, hundredths place. So after the decimal, that is hundredths place, so 0.75. so minus 75x, 0.75x minus 60 by 100, 0.60x equal to 82.5. Now you have to subtract 0.75 minus 0.60. Here the value is, you can minus 75 minus 60, the answer 0.15. Don't tell 0.15, 0.75, 0.75. After the decimal point, you can tell the numbers by one digit, one by one. So 75, 0.60. So 0.75 minus 0.60, the value is 0.15x equal to 82.5. So now as usual, again 0.15 into x, here the not having any sign means that is understood, multiply x, 0.15 into x. You want to find out the value of this x, so therefore x equal to 82.5 divided by 0.15. You want to divide this number, you can transfer the 0.15 to right side, so that is comes in that 0.15 is comes to the denominator. Now after this one, the both are numerator and denominator, both are decimal number, so you can't divide this, so you can change this decimal number to whole number. So here you can multiply both side by 100. Now here you have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 100. So you want to change this decimal number to whole number. So here 82.5 into 100, you will get 8250. Here 0.15 into 100, you will get 15. So now as usual, you can divide the whole numbers. So 8250 divided by 15, the answer is 550. So now you will get this number, x value, that is a number. The final, again they are asking, you have to find out the 20 percentage of x. Now here the value of x is 550. In the sum they are asking you have to find out again 20% of that number. So that x value is 550. So you have to find out 20% of 550. So 20% means the 20 by 100 into 550. So you have to cancel the two zeros. 2 into 55. That is answer 110. This is the 20% of that number. 20% of a given number. Given number equal to 110. This is the final answer. Is it clear? Again I am telling. So in the sum they are given, find the difference between 75% of a number and 60% of the same number. So you don't know the value of that number, so you can put the value for that number is x. So as usual you have to find out 75% of x minus subtraction, so difference, so you have to subtract 60% of x. So as usual you have to find out the value of x. The value of x is 550. Okay, now again in this question they are asking 20%. You have to find out the 20% of the given number. So that number is 550. So 20% of 550. So 20 by 100 into 550. You can do the cancelling and find out the answer. The last final answer is 110. Is it clear? Okay, now let us see the second sum. So the given is the number when increased by 18% gives 236. A number. So you don't know the number. You want to find out the number, value of this number. A number when increased means addition, more than. So increased by 18% gives means that is equal, gives means that is equal, meaning that equal to 236. First you have to form the equation for this. A number, you don't know the number, so let the number be x. So you can put the value, let the number be x. A number when increased, a number and increased by 18% of that number. So x plus increased means you put the value plus sign here, x plus 18% of same x. Okay, x plus 18% of x, that is given in the sum. A number when increased, 18% of this number, same number only. So x plus 18% of x equal to value gives 236. Okay, now 18% of x means 18 by 100 into x. X plus 18 by 100 x into x. So 18 by 100 into x equal to 236. Now here addition means here x, first term is x, second one is 18 by 100 x, 18x by 100. So you can take the LCM of this one. Okay, for simplifying this you can take the LCM because this is the in between sign is addition sign. So here there is not having any sign in the denominator, any number in the denominator means put that value 1. Now you can take the LCM. 1 and 100 is what? 100 only. So that is cross multiply x into 100, 100x plus here 18x. Is it clear, students? Now x plus 18 by 100 x is given. So here you want to simplifying this. So two terms separately. So in between the plus sign is there. So you can take the LCM of this two terms. So here the not having any sign, any number, not having any number in the denominator means you put that value 1. You can understood that is 1 is there. So you can take the 1 and LCM of 1 and 100 is 100 only. So first term is cross multiply x into 100, 100x plus already 18x is there. So 18x equal to here 100x plus 18x divided by 100 equal to here 236. So now here you can add 100 plus 18. So 100x plus 18x, so 118x divided by 100 equal to 236. Now you want to find out in the sum they are asking, then find the number. You want to find the value of this x only. So you want to find out the value of this x. 118 divided by 100 into x equal to 236 in this right hand side. So we want to find out the value of x only, therefore x equal to, here already 236, here 118 comes to denominator, then 100 comes to numerator. That's all. You just change the numerator and denominator, 100 by 118. Now as usual you can do the cancelling directly. You can cancelling by the 118 times. This one time, here 118 into 2. 118 2s are 236. So you can cancelling by this 236 2. So 2 into 100, 200. So the value of that number, that is, find that number. So value of the x is 200. This is the final answer. Is it clear?